Welcome to Rational Crypto Daily. This channel is for people who are tired of hype, moon calls, and clickbait thumbnails, and just want clear, rational crypto analysis. My name is Adam, and I've spent most of my time learning how crypto, markets, and risk really work, not how to shout the loudest on social media. You'll notice this isn't a facecam channel, and you're hearing an AI voiceover instead of a killer YouTuber voice. I don't have the flashiest voice in the world, but I make up for it with research, data, and honest context. In each video, we break down what's actually happening in the crypto markets, why it matters, and which risks most people ignore. You'll get calm, long-term focused insights and regular updates on the most important crypto news. If you want to understand crypto instead of just chasing the next pump, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Rational Crypto Daily, and let's navigate this space with a rational mindset. Nothing here is financial advice, just information to help you think for yourself.